Are you still tossing your banana peels in the trash without thinking twice? Stop right there, because what you're throwing away might be the secret ingredient to the most fertile, worm-filled, microbe-rich soil your garden has ever seen. This isn't a gimmick or some trendy composting fad. It's a simple, science-backed method that turns ordinary banana peels into a powerhouse for soil health, supercharging microbial life and transforming your garden from the roots up. Welcome back to Crop Corner, where we uncover nature's best-kept gardening secrets that work fast, naturally, and effectively. Today, we're digging deep into the banana peel method, a small habit that can make a world of difference in the health of your plants and the richness of your soil. Banana peels may look humble, but inside that thin yellow skin lies an entire ecosystem's worth of nutrients. They're naturally rich in potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium, four of the most essential minerals for plant growth. These nutrients strengthen root systems, support lush foliage, and promote steady, healthy development from seedling to harvest. But here's where it gets exciting. The real magic of banana peels isn't just in their nutrients, it's in how they awaken your soil's microbial army. As soon as banana peels start to decompose, they become a buffet for the microscopic organisms that keep soil alive. These microbes break down organic matter, release nutrients, and build structure in the soil that helps roots grow deep and strong. Healthy microbes mean more earthworms too. And, as every gardener knows, worms are nature's tillers. They aerate the soil, boost drainage, and enrich it with castings full of plant-friendly nutrients. In short, banana peels set off a chain reaction that turns tired soil into a living, breathing ecosystem. What makes banana peels such a powerful microbial booster is their fast decomposition rate. They're full of natural sugars and moisture, which microbes love. Within as little as 72 hours of adding banana peel to your soil, microbial activity can spike dramatically. It's like flipping a switch underground. Those microbes multiply rapidly, feeding on the sugars and fibers in the peel. As they do, they release beneficial byproducts, enzymes, organic acids, and natural compounds that improve the soil's texture and ability to hold water. The result is darker, more crumbly soil that smells rich and earthy. If you've been struggling with compacted or lifeless soil, this is one of the fastest ways to bring it back to life. Naturally, and the best part, you don't need expensive compost bins or complicated equipment to do it. Here's the simple, tried and tested formula we recommend for Crop Corner viewers. It's quick, easy, and incredibly effective. Take 3 medium banana peels and chop them into small pieces. Place them in a blender and add 1 liter, or about 4 cups of water. Blend until smooth. What you'll get is a creamy, nutrient-rich slurry, sometimes called banana peel tea. You can use this mixture right away, but, if you're looking for an extra microbial punch, let it sit for up to 24 hours in a covered container. This gives it a chance to ferment just a bit, which really boosts microbial growth even more. When it's ready, go ahead and pour the mixture directly around the base of your plants. For smaller potted plants or herbs, just use about half a cup per pot. For garden beds or larger plants, apply 2 cups per square foot of soil. After that, water lightly to help those nutrients seep down into the root zone. If you'd rather go with a slower release method, just bury small, chopped banana peel pieces about 2 to 3 inches deep near your plant's roots. As they break down, they'll keep feeding your soil for weeks. After applying banana peel slurry, it won't take long before you start to see changes. Within 3 to 5 days, the soil around your plants will begin to look darker and feel looser. That's the microbial bloom in action. By the end of the first week, you'll likely notice greener, more vibrant leaves and stronger stems. Plants seem to wake up as the surge of microbial life unlocks trapped nutrients and feeds roots directly. Even more impressive, this process helps plants become more resilient to heat, pests, and disease. Microbe-rich soil acts like a natural defense system. It builds root immunity and creates an environment where harmful pathogens struggle to survive. Each time you add banana peels to your garden, you're not just feeding your plants, you're actually building long-term soil fertility. Over time, your soil becomes more self-sustaining, holding moisture better and, draining more efficiently. The increase in microbial life naturally attracts more earthworms, and as those worms move through the soil, they create these tiny tunnels that improve aeration while leaving behind castings packed with nutrients. It's a continuous cycle of renewal, all starting from something as simple as a banana peel. The more you repeat this process, the more alive your soil becomes. With every peel, you're enriching the ecosystem beneath your plants, helping your garden sustain itself with less fertilizer and, honestly, less intervention. Once you see the transformation banana peels bring, you'll start to see kitchen scraps in a whole new light. Crushed eggshells add a steady source of calcium, strengthening plant cell walls. Used coffee grounds supply nitrogen, perfect for leafy greens, and vegetable peels bring a balanced mix of micronutrients that support microbial diversity. When used together, these simple kitchen discards can replace a large portion of chemical fertilizers, and unlike synthetic feeds, they nourish both the plants and the living soil beneath them. Many gardeners think the key to success is feeding the plant, but the truth is, thriving gardens start with feeding the soil. Chemical fertilizers might give a quick growth burst, but they do little for the microbial life that keeps soil healthy. Banana peels, on the other hand, do both. They feed the microbes that create the living structure of the soil, and they release plant-ready nutrients naturally, in perfect balance. The result is long-term fertility that doesn't fade after a few weeks. It builds season after season. Whether you're growing herbs in a small pot tending to backyard vegetables or managing a lush flower garden, this method works. It's simple, it's free, and it's one of the most powerful ways to keep your garden thriving year-round. So, the next time you finish your morning banana, just think twice before you toss that peel. What's left behind isn't garbage, it's actually gold for your garden. With just a blender and a liter of water, you can turn that waste into a nutrient-packed elixir that brings visible results in just a few days. Bigger microbes mean richer soil, and richer soil means stronger plants. Stronger plants, well, they lead to a more vibrant, resilient garden that rewards you with every single harvest. So, try it today. Blend it, pour it, and just watch your soil come alive. And when you see the transformation, don't keep it to yourself. Share your results with us in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to Crop Corner and hit that like button so more gardeners can discover the power of banana peels. Together, we're growing greener gardens and a healthier planet, one peel at a time.